Good morning, students. I hope you all are good. Today I am going to teach you EVS of class 3. So, let's start with today's topic, chapter 7, birds. In this chapter, we will learn about different types of birds and their features. So, today's learning objectives are different types of birds, body of a bird, types of feathers, habitat of birds. So now let's start with different types of birds. You must have seen different types of birds around you like bulbul, crow, pigeons, manas, etc. Birds are the only animals that have colorful feathers on their bodies. And most common birds found around us are pigeons, crows, parrots, hens, manas, etc. Birds are found in different sizes. Birds may be very big like an ostrich or very small like a sunbird. In this slide, you can see a picture of sunbird and a parrot. And you can see that both of them, they are having colorful feathers. Now, we will study about the body of a bird. As we all have some common features like eyes, nose, legs, hands, etc. Like that, all birds have some common features. A beak, a boat-shaped body, feathers on their bodies, two legs and wings. As you can see in the picture. Let's have a look on eye, feathers, wings, tail, claw and beak of a bird. So, now we will study about types of feathers. The feathers on the body of a bird are of two types, down feathers and flight feathers. Down feathers are small and fluffy. They keep the bird's body warm. And flight feathers are long, strong and flexible. They are found on the wings and tail of the bird. They help the bird to fly. Here you can see the picture of down feather and flight feather. So children, can you identify types of feathers? I am giving you 10 seconds. So now let's see the answers. C and A are flight feathers and and D are down feathers. So let's start with habitat of birds. Students, we all need a house to live in. Like that, birds also need a house and their house is known as nest. Birds are found in all places. They are found on the hills, plains, forests, water and in marshy areas. Birds like ducks and swans stay mostly in water. Most birds live on trees. They prefer those trees where they can find food and build their nests. Children, do you know the eyesight of an eagle is very sharp so that it can spot a rat running on the ground from a height of 3 kilometers and can pounce on it. So children, most birds can fly with their wings. Some like hens, ducks and peacocks can fly for short distances. And some birds like eagles and vultures can fly at great heights for a long time. And some birds are flightless birds. They cannot fly. Example of these birds are kiwi, emu, penguin and ostrich. These birds cannot fly. Do you know bats are not birds? They do not have any feathers on their bodies. They only have a flap of muscles. Students, I hope you understood today's topic. Thank you.